Greetings, this is M Squared, and we're not actually going to solve systems. This is just kind of a little tutorial on how to figure out which method to use. So hopefully you know the three methods before you're looking at this tutorial. The three methods are graphing, substitution, and addition and subtraction, or sometimes it's called elimination. So we're just going to get right into it, and I'm just going to show you how you would choose. If you had a test or something or a quiz, how you would choose which method to use if you're told use any method you want. So there's usually one that's easier than the others. This one right here, what I notice about this is y is all alone. And when one variable is all alone on one side of the equal sign, the preferred method is substitution. So I would definitely use substitution for that one. But some people might notice that there's no coefficient in front of the y, so it would be really easy to move that 2x, you minus 2x from both sides, and when you did that, the y's would both be alone, and then graphing would be the easiest if the y's are alone. So either one, substitution would be my first choice there, and then graphing would be my second choice. Although the other method wouldn't, addition and subtraction wouldn't be terribly difficult either. So you could just move that x over as well. So this one, notice the x's, the y's, the equal signs, and the numbers are all lined up. So that one is addition and subtraction. That's the first choice there. And it's probably, I wouldn't do any other method on that one. You could, but I wouldn't, because it's just set up so perfectly to, right now, to just subtract them. Of course, I like to add, so I would probably change the signs on all of them. But either way, that's what I would do there. How about this one? Any ideas? Hopefully you said graphing, because the y's are alone on this one side of the equal sign, which means it's set up perfectly for graphing. Be careful here, because this isn't the slope. Remember, it's y equals mx plus b, so whatever's in front of the x is the slope. Some kids get that a little confused. This is the y-intercept, that's the slope. Y-intercept, that's the slope. So sometimes they might trick you by not putting it in slope-intercept form, but it's close enough there. So that one I would definitely use graphing. Okay, this one, we have again a y all alone. So the preferred method there would be substitution. And of course, again, it'd be easy to move that minus x over and get it in graphing, ready to graph to if you wanted to. Okay, obviously I made a typo on this one. This is supposed to be a y. So in this case, the x's are lined up, the y's are lined up, equal signs and the numbers. So that's definitely set up for addition and subtraction. And the x's are both positive, so it's set up right away for subtraction. If you wanted to change the signs, you could obviously add. And this one right here, when there's a variable all alone, that suggests substitution, so that's the method I would use there. Substitution. I can't spell, I'm a math teacher. Substitution. So, I hope that was helpful. It's really nice to, when you're doing a test or a quiz, to know immediately which is the best method to use. So I hope that was helpful, and this is M Squared signing out.